Hey guys, what is up this week? I am doing a get ready with me, so if you want to see this look, go ahead and keep watching. Links in the description will not only be the products I am using today, but they will also be for some organizations that need your help. So if you are looking to donate some of your time and money learning about new causes, particularly within the Black Lives Matter movement, I know there are a few organizations I'm going to mention down below. I know I don't really talk about makeup on this channel anymore, but we're doing it today. I did a get ready with me previously. This one's a little more of an interesting look, so I don't know, maybe it'll catch more attention. But there will be some links in the description below with some important information for you if you would enjoy it. Yeah. I begin by priming my eyes with MAC's Painterly Paint Pot and highlighting my brow bone with the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit with the two lightest shades with my fingers. After that's done, I'm jumping into the Norvina palette and dipping into the shade Soul. It's a medium periwinkle purple shade with a fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm taking that first in my outer crease and taking it to the center of the lid. Quickly jumping back into that palette, I'm taking base and blending out that brow bone area. Next, I am taking OPV's Rainbow Sparkle palette and an angled fluffy brush to apply the shade Motley? Not quite sure, to the outer edges and give it a pinker blend out to the brow bone area. After that, I am taking the matte dark blue shade in the same palette, it's called Glint, and mixing it with Soul from ABH and placing that in the outer corner to deepen the color. Then I am cutting the crease about halfway to the center lid area with the ABH Cream Contour again. I'm going to be using this quite a bit in this tutorial and using my finger to set it with the shade Sand from the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. Over top of that, I am taking the Norvina palette again and using the sparkly champagne shade Dreamer on my finger and pushing that over the cut crease area. To bring back some of that darkness on the outer center edges, I'm using a deep purple shadow from Inglot. Into the Flamingo palette again, I am taking a sparkly pink shade called Seashell and placing that on the inner corner and the shade Oceanfront on the lower inner corner for an additional pop of blue. To finish off the lower lash line, I'm taking the same colors from the crease and smoking those out. To finish off the eyes, I'm using some Kiss lashes and my Duo glue. It's my favorite lash glue when I'm using lashes that require glue instead of the Kiss magnetic lashes that I've been loving lately. Jumping to the face, I am using Dermacall's Film Studio Foundation in 208 on a Real Techniques sponge that's been dampened. And following that, I am setting it with Hourglass's finishing powder. And contouring with the ABH Light to Medium Powder Contour on a BH Cosmetics brush. I also use the ABH Cream Contour for my eyebrows as well. For blush, I am using MAC's limited edition blush in See Me Hear Me and JCat Beauty's highlighter in Crystal Sand. And the lipstick, finally, is Velvet Teddy by MAC and Ulta's lip oil over top. Hello everybody, thank you so much for taking some time to watch my little old video here. I am currently having a really rough week. I have been working all week, which coming right out of a pandemic is not something you really want to be doing, especially since I offer a very non-essential service of boutique clothing. So it's not something that I really want to be out and about doing right now, especially with some of the other states kind of surging right back up after reopening. I'm really not looking forward to that happening here. And besides that, you know, my room, this space right here flooded, so I had to take care of that. And then I found a bunch of bugs in my pantry, so I had to throw everything that wasn't in a jar away. And that made me sad. Food can't be trusted in its box. It's been a really bad week for me. So I'm hoping that this is the turnaround. This look turned out pretty great, if I do say so myself. I feel like it looks better in person than on camera. I don't know why that is, but I don't know, I feel like it doesn't look as blended in my viewfinder as it does in person, so I don't know. But this is what I'm working with today. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If you would like, hit subscribe. I don't know. It would mean a lot to me, since I'm, as you can probably see from the numbers down there, very small, very tiny. Anyways, if you enjoyed hanging out with me, I am oh so grateful to have you here. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!